inside a $500 million smart farm. This farm operation is worth over $500 million, and it runs with surprisingly few people. No crowded fields, no long lines of workers, just machines, data, and a system designed for maximum profit. So, where does $500 million actually go? Let's break it down. Land alone can cost between $8,000 to $15,000 per acre, and large-scale farms can span tens of thousands of acres. That means land value alone can exceed $200 million. Then comes the machinery. A single high-end combine harvester can cost between $500,000 to $800,000, autonomous tractors up to $300,000 each, and a fully equipped smart farm may run dozens of these machines simultaneously. That's another $50 to $100 million just in equipment. But the real game changer is technology. AI-powered systems, drone fleets, soil sensors, satellite mapping. These can add tens of millions more in infrastructure, all connected, all working in real time. Every inch of this farm is monitored. Drones scan crops daily, detecting disease before it spreads, and predicting yield weeks in advance. On the ground, driverless machines operate with centimeter-level precision, planting, fertilizing, spraying, with almost zero waste. And the financial impact is massive. Smart farming systems can reduce chemical use by up to 30%, while increasing yields by nearly 20% for a farm generating tens of millions annually. That's millions in extra profit every single season. Water? Not wasted. Smart irrigation systems deliver exact amounts based on real-time soil data, saving millions of liters and cutting costs dramatically. Then comes harvest. Massive machines operate 24 hours a day, some completely autonomous, processing hundreds of tons of crops daily. What once required hundreds of workers can now be handled by a small, highly skilled team. Labor costs drop, efficiency rises, and output reaches industrial scale, back in the control room. This entire operation can be managed from a few screens. Data replaces guesswork, and decisions happen instantly. This is no longer traditional farming. This is a high-tech production system designed for scale, speed, and profitability. But with all this automation, and what happens to the farmer? The role doesn't disappear. It evolves from manual labor to system control, from working the land to managing intelligence. This is the new face of agriculture, a $500 million operation, feeding thousands, powered by machines, and driven by data. The future of farming isn't coming. It's already here. This is Yield Stream Global. Subscribe as we track the systems feeding the world.